Everyone is talking about the midlife crisis like it's some kind of phase in the life, yet millions of people who hit 40, 45 or 50, they feel trapped, confused or desperate. And this is real midlife crisis that we are talking about. But what if I told you that it's not just about the myth? It's a real brain-based crisis that ruins the career, relationship and the lives if you just ignore this phase of your career and the life as well. Hi, I'm Rakesh Rana and I help mid-career leaders typically in the midlife crises, and I have watched countless people in my career who have hit their mid-40s and suddenly they believe that everything is over, they are just aged and becoming obsolete in the market. But the truth is they are not alone and the crisis is definitely real. Now we will explain you how to probably overcome this midlife crisis. Let's understand the reality though. Think this as a phase. No, science says it's a documented shift in the brain chemistry. During the 35 to 50 years of your age, your brain undergoes the neurological decline, hormones, dopamine and serotonin. That drops sharply. This causes a feelings of boredom, anger, regret, or even to the some extent depression as well. And no, it's not in your head only. Many lose their confidence, question their choices in the life, and even consider quitting everything. I know a person who quit a well-paying career and just drifted to something completely different. And this is what is happening. Why is it so common at this phase of your life? Because the stress of the modern work and the family overload triggers early intensity of the brain decline. And over and above, there is a social media which gives you a lot of fear. Am I too old? Is my career over? Why AI is taking my job? And so on and so forth. The pandemic accelerated many to rethink about everything. And the distractions around us are so high that we have to probably think about whether we are growing or we are just stagnant while everybody else is growing. That social media comparison actually gives you a lot of anxieties and fears. Now, the neuroscience experts say your brain's dopamine, which fuels motivation and the happiness, decline by over 25 to 35% after 35 years of age. And this isn't a new thing, it's been there since long period of time. However, it shows the same pattern even today, and it actually intensified in the era that we are living today. So the more you resist or ignore it, the worse it gets. And many fall into the depression, midlife crisis, burnout, and even the mental health issues. Now, please understand, you don't need to be afraid. It's absolutely fixable, and it's not an and where you have the warning signs, but our brain is designed to be plastic. That means you can rewire it, you can rebuild your motivation, and you can renew your purpose in the life as well. But the key is to recognize the pattern early and act as fast as you can as soon as you understand your pattern. Now, how you can actually rewire your brain? Let me ask you, if you focus on your learning, your brain stimulates and it reconnects with the passions, challenging the negative thoughts. Now this is one of the way you can actually rewire it. The second, you can set the new goals now. Try some small achievable targets on a daily basis, weekly basis or monthly basis, which can show you the progress, and it actually boosts your dopamine. Third, most of the people at this age or phase actually lose the physical movement. Exercises releases the hormones that counteract this decline. And last but not the least, support your mental health. Don't just ignore anxiety or depression. Get help if you need it. The social media has distanced ourselves, so connect more number of people, especially with the positive, ambitious, and avoid the negativity as far as possible. Now, here is your challenge. If you are working on this phase of a mid-career life, that is, write down what is one thing that you want to learn or do in your life today. It could be new language, hobby, fitness goal, or something about your passion. Share it in the comment that I'm starting it now with, so that I understand that you're starting it. Because your brain needs a lot of actions and not doubt, let's fix this real crisis. The next step for you is, if you are in your 40s or over it and feel this midlife crisis, it's not the end, it's the beginning. As the people say, the life begins at 40. It's your call to rebuild the engine now. Subscribe this channel and start your brain reset today. I look forward to see you with more insight in my next video.